My name is a Nokia 5.1 and today I will show you how to move photos from the device to the SD card. So assuming the SD card is already in the device, all you need to do is open up the Files app. So pull down or pull up the app tray and you will find it right here, the Files app. So tap on it, and from here you have each category, so you can move other stuff as well. But for this we're gonna use images. And from here, basically those are all the images that are on the device. So you can hold it to select it, then tap on the dots up here and just simply tap on move to SD card. You can also copy the photos to SD card, and then they will be in both places too. So you can take out the card and put it in another device and you'll still have photos on this one. If you move them and you take out the SD card, then you won't see the photos anymore. But I'm just gonna select move, and as you can see now, there's message right here, one file moved. And also if you look at the image, above the size of it or next to it, you will have a little icon of a card. Not sure if it's visible, I'm just gonna maybe bring it closer and just completely close it. But there is basically this icon right here, indicates that it is on the SD card. So that is basically how you would move it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.